Unraveling the meaning of prosecute, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a term you might have heard in legal dramas or news reports, prosecute. This word can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Prosecute is a verb, and it primarily has a legal connotation. To prosecute means to officially charge someone with a crime and conduct the case against them in a court of law. This is the role of the prosecutor, a legal representative who seeks to prove the guilt of the accused. But prosecute isn't just limited to criminal cases. It can also refer to bringing legal action against someone in a civil case. Now, let's see how prosecute is used in sentences. 1. Criminal law. The state has decided to prosecute the individual for theft. 2. Civil law. The company decided to prosecute the breach of contract. In both examples, prosecute indicates the initiation of legal proceedings. Understanding how prosecute changes in different tenses can help you use it correctly in various contexts. Present simple. They prosecute violators of the law. Past simple. They prosecuted the case vigorously last year. Future simple. They will prosecute any infringements next month. It's easy to confuse prosecute with similar sounding legal terms like persecute or execute. Remember, persecute means to treat someone unfairly or cruelly over a period of time because of their race, religion, or political beliefs. Execute can mean to carry out a lawful order, like a death sentence, or more generally, to perform a task. For non-native speakers, pronouncing prosecute can be challenging. Focus on the stress on the first syllable. Prosecute. The O in pros sounds like the O in not, and the U in cute is pronounced like the U in cute. And that wraps up our exploration of the word prosecute. I hope this video has made it clear how and when to use this term. Remember, understanding these nuanced words is a big step in mastering the English language. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!